Stock market is falling, and right now Warren Buffett is warning you. This is not just another normal dip, because this time it feels different. We are starting to see real fear in the market. Big stocks are dropping, investors are pulling money out, and even Buffett himself, it's getting more careful. So the question is simple: is this just a correction, or is something bigger starting? Let's talk about it. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's start it. Over the last few days, the US stock market has been under pressure. The S&P 100 and 500 is down. The Nasdaq is also dropping, and this is happening for a reason. There are three main reasons behind this move. First, interest rates. The Federal Reserve is still keeping rates high. Inflation is not fully under control, and because of that, money is still expensive. When money is expensive, companies grow slower. And when companies slow down, stocks go down. As you can see here, I already told you guys that maybe we can touch that support levers, which is the $22,100, dollars, around that levels. And before that, I already told you it's possibly we're gonna break that support level to the down, and we already did it. And now I'm expecting a move like that. I already draw here. So and I believe that we're gonna touch that support levels, as I say, which is the $22,159. So yeah, around that level, and we might see the next 1 or 2 months. So just like that move. So as you can see here, we have a move like from 23rd January to 8th of September. So, and right now I believe we're gonna make the same move, but just the upside down, and then we're gonna touch the that support level, because it's really important support level, and there is a lot of liquidity in there. And then after 1 or 2 months later, maybe after the summer, we will see again $25,000 for the US 100 index. So second, economic uncertainty. We are getting mixed signals from the economy. Some data looks okay, some data looks weak. Job growth is slowing. Consumers are more careful with spending, and markets don't like uncertainty. Actually, to be honest, really, any markets don't like uncertainty, so they prefer bad news or unclear news. But right now we have uncertainty, and we have tonight President Trump's speech, and we have also tomorrow unemployment rate. So this is very important. We might see downer from that level, maybe around the 23,200. Right now we are just trading around almost 24,000 for the US 100 index. And the third, profit taking. Let's be honest, the market went up a lot in the past months. Big investors made money. Now they are taking profits, and when big money starts selling, the market moves down fast. So now let's talk about something very important: Warren Buffett, because when Buffett moves, people pay attention. So he has been selling stocks and increasing cash. This is very important, because Buffett doesn't usually sit on cash, he invests. But when he holds cash, it means he's waiting something. I think he's waiting the market drop more. As I say, guys, maybe around the $22,000 for the US 100 index. And Yeah, Buffett has a famous rule: be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. So right now the market was very greedy, and Buffett, he's slowing down, he's being careful. Why? Because valuation are still high, interest rates are still high, and risks are increasing. So he prefers to wait. And when Buffett waits, you should at least think twice. I mean, I'm not telling you just make everything what Buffett says, but yeah, when Buffett waits, yeah, I mean, I'm actually just think twice or maybe more. Yeah, but when Buffett waits, you should at least think twice. So this is not only about the US, there are global factors too. First, geopolitical risk. There is a map. They are saying that like a risk of map. So if you live around here, America or Canada, or if you live in Europe, it's okay for you. It's pretty much secure, actually. Okay, maybe not too much for the US, but but when you look at the down here, especially Iran or the Iraq, yeah, or the Saudi or the Strait of Hormuz, they're like really risky. That this part of the world is, it's like there is too risky, yeah. So, and geopolitical risk tensions in the world are increasing because of the Iran-US war. So, and markets don't like uncertainty, as I told you. When risk goes up, investors become careful. Second, oil and energy. So, oil prices are unstable. It's right now oil is $112, and transportation, production, inflation, everything. And third, central banks, not only the Fed. Other central banks are also keeping rates high. So this means one thing: liquidity is low, and without liquidity, markets don't move up easily. Now the big question: what happened next? There are two possible scenarios. First scenario, this is just a healthy correction, which is I don't believe. I think we will go more down. A normal pullback after a strong move. So this is the first scenario, right? The market takes a break and then continues up. This is possible. This is possible. I'm not gonna lie. This is possible. Second scenario, this is the beginning of a bigger move down, which is, I believe, more. I mean, I'm like 70% to 30%, right? But I believe more to second scenario. So if interest rates stay high, which is it will be at least until the September or October, and if economic data gets weaker, which is will be because of the oil and because of the war, if liquidity stays low, which is I think will be stays low because of the geopolitical tension, then we can see a deeper drop, more fear, more selling, and maybe a longer downtrend. Right now the market is between those two scenarios. There is no middle way, just the two scenarios, that's all, because we have seen really red charts all of the markets, not even the stocks market, even the gold or the silver or the cryptocurrency. So what should you do? First, don't panic at all. This is where most people lose money, because when you get like when you panic, you're gonna lose money. I guarantee you, when you panic, you're gonna lose money. Second, don't chase the market. Just wait. Just wait, relax, just wait, watch, be patient. So big investors are not rushing. Okay, maybe we are not rich, maybe we are not wealthy, but we have to think like a rich people. We have to think like a wealthy people. And they move slowly. They are waiting for better prices. They are holding cash and they move slowly. So the biggest mistake for me, buying at the top and selling at the bottom because of the panic. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just wait, watch, take it easy, relax, and move like move slowly, guys. Move slowly. Yeah, don't rush. So right now the market is at the very important point. Fear is coming back with big money, is being careful, and the next weeks can change everything. So stay calm, as I say, stay smart, and watch the market, watch the geopolitical tensions, watch the Fed, and watch everything very closely. So guys, thanks a lot. If you like this type of content, like the video and subscribe to the channel, because I will keep you updated. See you in the next videos.